Good morning. In this class, we will see about classical substitution cipher. So, what is classical substitution cipher? In the name itself, it is revealing that substitution means here we are going to substitute something. So, as I told earlier, here we are going to transfer the original message to the receiver. For that, the original message or the plain text has to be encrypted in order to send it over the public channel, isn't it? So, here, letters of the plain text. Plain text means original message. In the original message, each and every letter will be replaced by other letter or by numbers or by some symbols. So that is substituting. We are performing substitution procedure. That is, if a plain text is viewed as a sequence of bits, means here you are substituting or replacing the bit patterns with the ciphertext bit pattern. This technique is called as a substitution cipher technique. Here you have many different algorithms followed for the substitution cipher techniques. First one is Caesar cipher. What is Caesar cipher? So it is the earliest known substitution cipher technique, which is very famous because the name you can see Caesar cipher. Why it is Caesar cipher? Because the first use in military affairs of one was by Julius Caesar. Okay, that is why it is named after his name. That is Caesar cipher. It replaces each letter by the third letter. For example, here imagine you have a plain text, meet me after the toga party. Here instead of M, the letter P will be replaced. So the third letter from M, the third letter from M is nothing but M, N, O, P. P is the third letter from M. Similarly for E, what is the third letter from E? E, F, G, H, isn't it? So for E, we will be substituting H. Similarly for T, M, E, E, T. If you see meet means for M, you will be substituting P. E, you will be substituting H. For T, the third letter from T is nothing but T, U, V, W. W is the third letter. Similarly, you will be substituting for each letter in the plain text the third letter you will be using, okay, for converting your plain text into ciphertext, so that the original message is converted into a ciphertext message. This is the concept behind the Caesar cipher. So here you can see we will be utilizing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all the letters, all the alphabets. 26 alphabets are there. For each and every alphabet, what alphabet will be substituted? For A, you apply the key value as 3. Third letter from A is nothing but D, isn't it? For B, the third letter from B is nothing but what? For legibility, I will use uh, highlightener. Okay. So for A, you will be replacing with D. Why D is selected? Because we are applying what? We are applying the key value as 3. Isn't it? We are applying the key value as 3. So for B, if we apply the key value of 3 means which letter you will be replacing, you will be replacing it with E. Similarly, you have to apply for the entire plain text in order to convert it to a ciphertext. This is a very easy technique used, okay, Caesar cipher, and it is very easy to code break also. That is why this cipher technique is not used, because nowadays security is very important concern. Okay, so it is very easy to interpret. You can easily find out the plain text message. Okay, so here next one is, here you can mathematically what? Mathematically you can give values for each and every letter. See, for A 0, B 1, likewise you will be giving values, and then you can have Caesar cipher using this calculation. What calculation you have used? So C is nothing but ciphertext. In order to calculate the ciphertext, you have to apply the encryption procedure on the plain text P. Okay, so how will you apply the encryption procedure? P is nothing but, for example, meet me at toga party. M is nothing but your P. What is the value for M here given? Just to see 12, isn't it? So 12 plus key value is nothing but what? Key value is 3, isn't it? So 12 plus 3 is nothing but 15. 15 mod 26, remainder value is nothing but 15. So what is the value you are getting? P. So the cipher text is nothing but P. Okay. So similarly, you have to apply the reverse procedure of encryption, that is decryption of C. What is the C value here? 15. So 15 minus, what is the K value we have taken? K is nothing but 3. 15 minus 3 is nothing but 12. So you are getting the original message as M. So M is converted into P, and again the reverse process, P is converted to M. Okay, this is the concept behind Caesar cipher.